So as you can see, I am earning $50 every day in pure passive income just by using these 5 best apps to make money online. They are completely free to use and available pretty much worldwide. So you can make money online from anywhere in the world. Many of them simply require you to have them installed on your smartphone or tablet. That is all you will do to make money. Hi, and welcome to TechZoom. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 5 apps that can help you make money online. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to try and figure out which ones are worth your time and effort. That's why we've done the research and rounded up the top 5 apps that can help you earn some extra money from the comfort of your own home. So as usual, don't forget to like this video. A big thumbs up is always appreciated. Alright, let's get into it. Swagbucks is a popular rewards app that lets you earn points for completing tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. You can redeem your points for gift cards to a variety of retailers or even cash through PayPal. Swagbucks is a great option for anyone looking to make a little extra money on the side without committing to a full-time job. The platform has paid its members over $800 million, which is a tremendous number. So maybe it's time to grab a piece of that cake. You just need to install the app and you're good to go. The best thing about this app is the fact that it allows users to cash back and save money with coupon codes when they shop online through Swagbucks. The offer would depend on where you are located, but you can find many interesting offers that suit different needs. Ibotta is a cashback app that allows you to earn money on your everyday purchases. Simply scan your receipts from participating retailers and earn cash back on eligible items. You can also earn bonuses by completing tasks and inviting your friends. Ibotta is a great way to save money on your regular shopping trips and earn a little extra cash at the same time. Best of all, Ibotta makes it easy to get the cash back you've earned using the app. You can redeem your Ibotta earnings for Venmo or PayPal payments, or even as gift cards if you want to. Anyone who is at least 18 years old can use Ibotta by downloading the app. But it's best for frequent shoppers willing to take the extra steps necessary to maximize their cash back. This includes people who will upload their receipts and start all their online shopping from the Ibotta app. Junkie is a survey site that pays you for your opinions. Simply sign up and start completing surveys to earn points. You can then redeem your points for cash through PayPal or gift cards to popular retailers. Junkie is a great way to make some extra money in your free time and share your thoughts on a variety of topics. Millions of people trust Junkie and share their opinions and ideas in exchange for rewards and gift cards. When you take surveys with Junkie, 1 point is equal to 1 cent. So a survey with a 100 points reward will earn you $1. But to cash out, you must have $5 in your account. I chose to receive a cash payment via PayPal despite their super high fees, but you can also have your rewards transferred to a bank account. Electronic gift cards are a third redemption option. User Testing. Founded in 2007, User Testing is a human insight platform that gives companies an inside look into how their target audience behaves with their product. Major brands like Facebook, Wayfair, Ford, Google, and more have used this platform to gain more knowledge about how their products, messaging, or apps can be improved. User Testing is a platform that pays you to test websites and apps. Simply sign up and complete tests to earn money. User Testing is a great opportunity for anyone with an eye for detail and a knack for providing constructive feedback. The payment for each test varies depending on the type and duration of the test. In general, the pay for each test varies between $3 to $60. The average payment is $10 per test. If you have a spare room or a vacation rental, you can earn money by renting it out on Airbnb. Simply list your space, set your price, and start hosting guests. Airbnb is a great way to monetize your unused space and meet interesting people from all over the world. Before you start with this strategy, you will need to consider legal rules and regulations, as some cities do not allow subletting. Moreover, you should obtain permission from the landlord before you attempt to rent out your rented accommodation. In many cases, long-term rental lease agreements do not allow tenants to rent out properties on listing sites. There you have it, the top 5 apps to make money online. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra cash on the side or want to monetize your unused space, these apps provide a variety of opportunities to do so. So have you tried any of these apps before? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.